99% of older people eat eggs every day without really knowing what they do for their bodies. And I'm not talking about calories, cholesterol, or the usual things you've always heard about. Think about it. How many times have you eaten an egg without really thinking about it? Almost like it was an automatic thing without even noticing. For breakfast, for lunch, maybe in the evening when you don't feel like cooking anything fancy. Just a simple habit, almost without thinking. But behind this habit lies something few people know. 2 eggs a day, not a special diet, not a complicated method, just 2 eggs. But in those 2 eggs, your body gets clear messages. Messages about how to fix things, rebuild and keep up the tissues that wear out faster as you get older. The thing is, almost no one looks at eggs this way. We've always been told what to take out of our diet, but rarely what we truly need to support an aging body. What if I told you that 2 eggs, eaten the right way, could help your body find its balance again when time makes things confusing? Stick with me, because what we're about to find out will completely change how you see this very common food. When we hear the word restoration, our minds immediately think about fixing something that's clearly broken, like a surgery, a medical treatment, or a problem that has become obvious and easy to spot. But our body works differently. The repair process starts long before problems become noticeable. Think about a road used every day. It doesn't break all at once, it wears down bit by bit, piece by piece. Our body follows the same idea. Every day it loses tiny parts of itself, like muscle fibers, cell walls, and other internal bits that need to be fixed, and that's where 2 eggs a day become very important. Not just as food, but as a helper for these repairs. They are like biological building blocks that the body can recognize, use, and put together in a really effective way. It's not about becoming young again, or stopping time. It's about slowing down the wear and tear, keeping what works, and helping the body not lose ground more than it has to. Soon, I'll tell you why eggs have this amazing power, and, even more important, what happens when our body gets what it truly needs to rebuild itself every day, instead of just getting by. Before we get into the details, I want to be completely honest with you. We're not talking about following trendy diets or trying extreme solutions. We're talking about what really works in everyday life, especially as our bodies change and need more care. If this is your first time seeing me, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Angelo, and this is Vitalita Senior. This space was created to help you understand, not to scare you. My goal is to help you make simple choices based on science and real experience without causing panic or giving false hope. Every piece of information I share is meant to support you over time, respecting what your body can do and valuing its ability to adapt. Now that everything is clear, we can move on. Before we dive into the really interesting stuff, let's take a quick break. If you find this information helpful for understanding your body better, then this is the place for you. I invite you to subscribe to the Vitalita Senior channel. Give this video a big like if you're enjoying it. Tell us in the comments which city in Italy you're watching us from and what time it is for you right now. It's a simple thing, but it helps us build a real community, made of people who are attentive, curious, and care about their health. Let's continue, because now we're going to find out how 2 eggs can become great allies for our daily well-being. Eggs and cell repair. Our bodies are always working to fix cells, all day, every day, without us even knowing it. Every part of our body gets a little worn out, every cell gets a little damaged, and what really matters, as time goes on, is how well our body can fix itself. Eggs are exactly that, a complete and ready-to-use source of building blocks for our body. Their proteins are of excellent quality and contain all the essential amino acids, the ones our body can't make on its own. These are key for rebuilding cell walls, enzymes, and other parts of our cells. Think of it like a construction site that has to fix a house every night. If the right bricks are missing, the work slows down. If the materials aren't complete, the building will be weak. Over time, something similar happens inside us too. 2 eggs a day give us a strong and steady base. They don't make digestion heavy, but they keep the repair process active and strong. The egg yolk is also a great source of choline, which is a super important nutrient for building cell walls. Choline is a must-have for making phospholipids, which are key parts of our cells. These parts are super important to keep our cells healthy and working their best. Food studies show that eating enough good quality protein helps older people's cells fix themselves, not because their body goes back in time, but because they finally get what they need to slow down aging that's happening too fast. This quiet repair job gets things ready to help another super important organ. Our brain. Supporting your brain and nervous system. When your cells get the right nutrients and are always being fixed, your nervous system is one of the first things to get better. As we get older, many of us start to notice small changes that we often don't think much about. It gets harder to focus, our memory seems slower, and we feel mentally tired sooner than we expect. This isn't a sign of weakness, it's just how our bodies naturally work. Your brain is mostly made of fats and proteins, and these need to be refreshed all the time. Eggs help with this because they have choline, which is a very important nutrient for making acetylcholine, a brain chemical that's super important for memory, focus, and coordination. Imagine your brain cells like people sending messages to each other through a big network. If these messages are messy or slow, the whole system slows down. Choline helps keep these messages between your brain cells clearer and more steady over time. Lots of studies have shown that getting enough choline is linked to better brain health and memory in older folks. It's not about suddenly becoming super smart, but about keeping the brain power you already have. Eating 2 eggs every day is a simple thing you can do to protect your brain, helping it age naturally and without stress. When your mind stays balanced, your body can handle physical challenges better, and that's what we'll talk about next. Muscle health and how our body recovers. When your mind is more balanced and nerve signals flow smoothly, your body moves with more precision and confidence. It's a small change, almost unnoticeable, but very important. This is where our muscles come in. They are among the parts of our body most affected by the passage of time. After 60, many people notice a decrease in their physical strength. We're not talking about big feats, but everyday actions. Getting up from a chair, carrying groceries, climbing stairs without having to stop. Often people think that's just how it has to be. This is partly true, but not everything is out of our control. Muscles need both activity and good food to rebuild themselves. If one of these things is missing, muscle mass slowly decreases. This problem, called sarcopenia, grows slowly and silently, often without anyone noticing. Eggs are super important for helping your muscles get better. The protein in eggs is one of the easiest for our bodies to use. This means your body can soak up almost all of it without wasting any. These building blocks, called amino acids, go right where they're needed exactly when they're needed. Eating 2 eggs a day really helps fix the tiny tears in your muscle fibers that happen even from just doing everyday stuff. You don't have to do intense sports to get these small muscle tears. Even a longer walk than usual or a busy day can be enough. If your body always gets enough good quality protein, your muscles heal faster and you don't lose strength as quickly. Studies on what older people eat show that getting enough protein helps keep muscles strong and makes it less likely you'll get weak. Think of your muscles like ropes that need to stay flexible and strong. If they don't get the right food and exercise, they get weak and lose their strength. Eggs don't do all the work by themselves, but they give you the right stuff to make every effort count more. When your muscles get stronger and heal better, your skin and other body parts also start to look their best. And that's exactly where the next part will take us. Restoring tissues and skin. When your muscles bounce back more easily, your body feels more steady. There's another sign that people often don't notice: the condition of your skin, nails, and hair, but also the inner linings that protect your organs and joints. All these parts are always renewing themselves, even if we don't always realize it. But, as we get older, this process slows down. Your skin gets thinner and loses its stretchiness. Small cuts take longer to heal. Your nails tend to break more easily. It's not just about how you look, it's a sign that your body's repair process is becoming less effective. Eggs directly help this process. They give you sulfur amino acids, like methionine and cysteine, which are super important for making strong proteins that make your tissues firm and healthy. Also, they're a great source of B vitamins, which are key for new cells to grow and for giving your tissues the energy they need to fix themselves. Imagine the tissues in your body like a finely woven fabric. If the threads are thin or of poor quality, the fabric tears easily, kind of like an old linen sheet. But if the materials are strong and you keep supplying them, the fabric stays tough for a long time, just like a good Sardinian textile or a fine velvet. Eating 2 eggs a day won't make your skin look younger overnight, but it gives your body what it needs to better fix things as they wear out. This helps keep your body's structure strong, like a good builder who always uses the best materials. It's a small change you'll notice over time, not by looking in the mirror the next day, but with constant effort, typical of our culture. Many nutrition studies show that getting enough complete proteins and tiny nutrients helps older people keep their tissues strong, not because time stops, but because your body stops breaking down for no good reason. It's like having good maintenance for an old car. And when your tissues are stronger and healthier, general swelling and aches tend to go down too. Fewer small damages mean fewer alarm signals from your body, and that's where our next topic comes in. Scene 14. Controlling inflammation. So, controlling inflammation and metabolic stress is really important. Think of it this way. Your body is always trying to stay balanced, but sometimes it gets stuck in a low-level alarm state, kind of like a smoke detector that keeps beeping even when there's no fire. This is called chronic, low-grade inflammation. This constant alarm can really wear down your body's tissues over time, making you feel older and less energetic. It's like a car that's always running a little too hot. Eggs can help with this. They give your body important nutrients that help calm that constant alarm. They don't stop inflammation right away, but they give your body the tools it needs to deal with metabolic stress, which is one of the main reasons why inflammation sticks around. Not because they are anti-inflammatory in the immediate sense, but because they provide nutrients that reduce metabolic stress, one of the main causes of persistent inflammation. Managing inflammation and metabolic stress is super important for how well we feel. When our body tissues fix themselves better and we have fewer little injuries, our body slowly stops sending out constant alarm signals. And this is where a key part of getting older comes in. Low-grade inflammation, the kind that sticks around for a long time. We're not talking about that sudden, sharp inflammation you feel right away. We're talking about the quiet kind that drains your energy and wears down your body faster from the inside. Lots of people live with this kind of inflammation without even knowing it. It shows up as stiffness in the morning, aches that come and go, and a tiredness that doesn't seem to have a clear reason. It's like living every day with the parking brake on, even if it's just a little bit. In this situation, eggs can help keep this condition in check more than you might think, not because they directly fight inflammation, but because they give you nutrients that lower metabolic stress, which is one of the main reasons for long-lasting chronic inflammation. Now let's talk about how eggs can help fix up the tissues and skin in your body. Eggs are full of amino acids, which are like the building blocks for your body. They help your body make new cells and fix old ones, which is super important for keeping your skin and other tissues healthy and strong. Think of it this way, your skin is always working hard and needs good stuff to stay in tip-top shape. Eggs give your body those materials. Also, eggs have vitamins like B vitamins and vitamin A. These vitamins are really great for your skin. Vitamin A helps your skin grow and repair itself, and B vitamins help keep your skin looking nice and healthy. So, eating eggs can help your skin stay smooth and stretchy, and even heal faster if you get a cut or scrape. It's like giving your skin a little beauty treatment from the inside. And because eggs help with swelling, like we talked about before, this also helps your skin look better, because less swelling means less redness and irritation. When your body is less stressed inside, it can heal better, and you can sleep more deeply and feel more rested. This way, you can go through your day feeling calmer and with fewer aches and pains. When inflammation goes down and metabolic stress eases up, your body uses energy more efficiently. This brings us right to our next topic, metabolism, feeling full, and living a long, healthy life. Metabolism, feeling full, and living a long, healthy life. When swelling goes down and the stress on your body's systems lessens, your body doesn't have to keep chasing constant ups and downs. Instead, it finds its balance again. In this calm state, your metabolism starts to work better. Not in emergency mode, but smoothly and harmoniously. And this is where many people start to notice a small but real change in their daily lives. Think about how you feel after a good plate of grandma's pasta, the kind that really fills you up. It doesn't make you feel heavy or tired right away. In fact, it gives you just the right energy to get through the afternoon. In this process, eggs play a super important role. Thanks to their mix of good proteins and natural fats, eggs help us feel full for longer. This stops us from wanting to snack all the time and eating too much, which can make our metabolism tired. It's not about eating less, but about eating more regularly, and in a balanced way. When your meals are well balanced, your blood sugar levels tend to change more slowly and in a controlled way. This means fewer sudden spikes in insulin, which puts less stress on your pancreas and helps your energy spread out more evenly throughout the day. As you get older, this steady pattern really helps keep your weight in check, your mind clear, and your energy high, without needing extreme diets. Many studies have shown that including eggs in breakfast or other meals helps you manage hunger better in the hours that follow, not because they make your appetite go away, but because they tell your body it has received the nutrients it needs. This brings us to a very important idea for living a long, active, and healthy life: Getting older in a healthy way doesn't mean pushing your body to its limits. It means using your energy wisely, not overdoing things, and creating a good internal environment so your body can work without extra effort. Adding 2 eggs to your daily meals becomes a smart way to help your body. This helps your body do more with less work, keeping you independent, balanced, and sharp as time goes on. After looking at cells, the brain, muscles, tissues, swelling, and how the body uses food, it's time to take a break and see the big picture, because that's where the real meaning becomes super clear. Let's take a moment to think. Not to add more, but to put together everything we've learned. The real meaning of this journey shows up when every piece finds its place, just like in a Roman mosaic. We started with the idea of cell repair, and the need, often forgotten, to give our body the basic building blocks to rebuild what time wears away every day. Eggs, with their high-quality protein and choline, have shown themselves to be not just a food, but a real support. Then we looked at the nervous system, memory, focus, and a calm mind. We saw that supporting the brain doesn't mean overstimulating it, but protecting it, keeping its connections active, and reducing the stress that affects it as we get older. We talked about muscles, daily strength, balance, and being able to do things on our own. Not about being super strong, but about being able to live without being afraid of falling, without having to give up the simplest things. Here, too, eggs are not a magic solution, but they offer constant support in the recovery process. Then we talked about tissues and skin, the parts that quietly show the inner health of our body. Better repair also means fewer warning signs, and this is where long-term swelling starts to go down. We've seen that reducing metabolic stress doesn't mean making big sacrifices, but rather being steady, having more complete meals, fewer ups and downs, and less rushing around. In this balance, your metabolism stops being a problem. The main thing that connects everything is being steady. 2 eggs a day won't change your life in a few days, but they will change your path over the years. Taking care of yourself doesn't mean doing everything. It means choosing the right actions and doing them regularly. And it's from this understanding that the final step of this video comes. Before we finish, I want to leave you with a thought about how important balance is. As we've seen, eggs can be a great help for our health, but it's really important to add them to your diet in a sensible way, with care and not too much. 2 eggs a day are enough to get all the good things they offer, without making your body feel heavy. Of course, if you have any special health problems, changes in your body's chemistry, or if you take medicines, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor. Health isn't a one-size-fits-all thing that works for everyone. It's your own journey that needs care and attention. The main message of this video is clear. Our bodies don't need big changes, but simple and steady signals. It's the small, mindful choices we make every day that allow our bodies to heal and fix themselves more than we can imagine. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments if you already eat eggs every day and how you use them in your meals. Don't forget to subscribe to the Vitalita Senior channel and give it a big thumbs up, and share this video with anyone you think might find it helpful. Thanks for taking the time for your well-being. See you in the next video to continue this journey together towards health, awareness, and wellness.